Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy anonymous number in TonKeeper. So for you to do that, you have to open your TonKeeper app and tap at the browser icon. Then you can scroll the way down till you find something called NFT. Once you see that, then you tap at fragment. Then you can see the page has been popped up and you can see this is the name of the platform, Fragment. They are linked to Telegram. They are linked to TonKeeper platform. Then you're gonna tap at this option, which is numbers. Then once you tap on this, then from here you can have the available numbers that you can use for Telegram. These numbers are actually for sale. You buy it. Once you want them, just go for it. Then you make payment using your TonKeeper wallet. Then if you want to do that, you have to connect your TonKeeper to this particular platform so they can make your payment. This is it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.